First of all, changing a car battery in a Honda Civic isn't rocket science, but people avoid it like it's open heart surgery. I get it. The idea of popping your hood freaks people out, but I swear it's about a 20-minute task. You start by making sure the car is turned off, not just kind of off, but fully, keys out of the ignition off. Park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and pop the hood. The hood latch is usually down by your foot, left side. Once the hood's open, look for the battery. It's a black rectangular box, usually with red and black cables running into it. In most Civic models, it'll be right up front, slightly off to the driver's side. Not hard to miss. Important, before doing anything, identify the positive and negative terminals. They're labeled with a plus, plus, and minus sign. Always remove the negative cable first. That's the black one. Do it wrong, and you might short something out. You'll need a socket wrench. 10mm is usually the size Honda uses for battery terminals. Loosen the bolt on the negative terminal and slide the clamp off. Do the same with the positive terminal after that. Work slowly and deliberately. There's probably a bracket or metal clamp holding the battery in place. Remove that too. Again, the 10mm socket will likely do the trick. After that, you can carefully lift the battery out. Use both hands. It's like lifting a bowling ball with angry electricity inside. Take your old battery with you to the auto parts store. Most places give you a core charge refund, which is like $15 to $20. Just don't forget it, or you're paying extra for no reason. A new battery will usually run you about $120. Installing the new one is just the reverse of removal. Set the battery in place, reattach the clamp or bracket that was holding it down, then attach the positive terminal first this time, then the negative. It matters because of spark risks. Before you close the hood and drive off feeling smug, double-check the connections. Are the terminals snug? No wiggling? Is the bracket secure? If the battery can wiggle around, that's a driving hazard, and you'll kill the new battery early. Pain point. I hear a lot. Why won't my car start even after battery replacement? Most of the time, it's just a loose connection. It's rarely the starter or alternator. People just don't tighten terminals enough. Don't baby it. Torque it down firm. Pro tip, throw a tiny bit of dielectric grease on the terminals before bolting everything down. It prevents corrosion and helps extend the life of the battery. It's like $3 for a whole packet that'll last you years. Seriously worth doing. People act like car repairs are for people with neck tattoos and socket sets. But changing your own battery saves you about $80 in labor fees alone and gives you legit confidence. You're empowered. 20 minutes and you're basically a mechanic now.